Have you ever looked at the clock and wondered, where did all the time go? Hours turn into days, days into months, and before you know it, years have flown by. It feels like time is slipping through your fingers, doesn't it? But here's the truth. Time doesn't slip away. You let it. And today, I'm going to show you how to take back control of your time and your life. Let's start with a simple fact. Time is your most valuable resource. You can lose money and earn it back. You can fail and try again. But time, once it's gone forever. That's why it's so important to use it wisely. Yet most people waste time, scrolling on their phones, procrastinating, or saying, I'll do it tomorrow. But tomorrow isn't guaranteed. Every time you put something off, you're stealing from your future self. Now let me ask you this. What if you treated your time like money? Every second you spend is an investment. Are you spending it on what truly matters, or letting it slip away? Here's the secret. Time doesn't manage itself. You have to take control. Start by asking yourself one question every morning. What's the most important thing I need to do today? Not the easiest, not the most fun, the most important. Your priorities shape your life. If you don't set them, distractions will. Because distractions are thieves. Social media, TV, endless emails. They steal your time bit by bit. You don't notice it until it's too late. Think of your day as a jar. The big rocks, those are your goals, dreams, and relationships. The sand, that's the small stuff. Distractions and noise. If you fill the jar with sand first, there's no room for the rocks. But if you start with the rocks, the sand will fit around them. That's how you take control of your time. Now let's talk about something even more important. Saying no. You can't do everything, and that's okay. Every time you say yes to something unimportant, you're saying no to something that matters. Saying no isn't selfish, it's smart. It's how you protect your time for what truly counts. Taking control of your time isn't easy. It means making tough choices. It means putting your phone down, turning off Netflix, and focusing on what truly moves you forward. It means trading comfort for progress. But here's the good news. The more you do it, the easier it gets. When you start using your time wisely, you'll feel more in control. You'll see progress in your goals, and you'll stop feeling like life is passing you by. The clock is ticking. Whether you use your time or waste it, it's going to pass. The real question is, what will you do with it? Will you let it slip away, or will you grab it and make it yours? Time isn't your enemy. It's your greatest ally, but only if you use it wisely. Don't wait for the perfect moment, because it's already here. If you're ready to make every second count, hit subscribe and let's get started.